Hello true fam, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be doing a product review for this new microphone that I've bought from a brand called ULANZI. I hope you can see ULANZI. So I have been thinking about upgrading my audio system because I want to give you guys quality audio in my videos. So I was looking for a cheaper alternative but still quality, and I found this brand. There was quite a number of good reviews on this product, so I decided to buy it and give it a try. I got the package yesterday. I couldn't wait to open it, guys. So I'm going to unbox it and then we are going to try it together. And I hope I like it. So I bought this for I think 187 dirhams, UAE currency. I would convert in dollar and then put it on the screen for you guys to know. The link will be in the description. After testing, if you're interested, you can definitely go and pick it up from my Amazon affiliate link. I'll just get a little commission at no cost to you. I will just get a little commission when you buy through my link. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So at the moment I'm only using the mic from my phone, and I've closed my windows. AC is off. There's no other thing making noise here. So this is the content of the package. There's this very cute charging box, I think, and one receiver and two transmitters. So this plugs in directly into your iPhone. Oh, I must say that the charging box is very cute and portable and durable also. I think it's made up of plastic, but it's very durable, I can say. And then here you have a charging cord, I believe, type C charging cord. Yes, we have a type C charging cord. This is used to charge the charging box, and then you can use the charging box to charge your transmitter and receiver. So go ahead and test the microphone and see if the audio is good. So first of all, I really like the package. It's very cute. The this is the one you plug onto your dress, and then this one you insert in your insert this in your phone, your iPhone. So this can only be used for the iPhone. Someone would ask, why would I buy a microphone that can only be used for my iPhone? Because I don't think I will be migrating to a camera. Really, I don't think I will migrate to a camera ever. So I'm going to try this on my phone right now in this video, then we can judge to see the sound, the quality of the sound. Let me read the manual. How to use step 1: connect the receiver to phone with port. Okay, so you're going to do this whilst we are filming. Maybe my phone is going to shake a little bit, but that's fine. So it says connect the receiver to phone with port. This is the receiver. So you're going to connect this to the phone. I think my audio is going to break for some time. Let's do it. Okay, power light is green, then power is on. Can you hear me? I'm not too sure about this. Hold on. Okay. And then it says, hold on. Hello? Hello, can you hear me? Step three, it says the indicator red light of receiver keeps always on. Then open the phone camera, live app or other apps, and then use the microphone to receive sound. Let me stick it up somewhere here. Oh, oh, why can't I just stick it? Oh, great. Okay, so now I have it on, and I hope that you can hear me and the sound is clear. Usually this is how I film my videos, unless I'm doing like vlogs where I want to be too far from the camera. But usually this is um this is the distance between my phone and myself, because maybe because I've used the phone for so long, so I always try to keep the arm length distance between myself and my phone so that I can get the best audio out of my video. But now that I have a microphone, maybe I would be shooting from different angles. You never know. It has microphone, transmitter, lightning receiver, charging box. The charging box is really cute. Really, it's very compact. Even though it's plastic, it's very compact because I heard that other microphones that are even super expensive, you may not get a charging um, box with it. You would have to buy that separately. So I think this is pretty cool, very sleek and cute. Very portable if you want to travel with it. You can literally just put this in your pocket if you're traveling or vlogging around. And then there's a charging box, charging cable, and then the user manual. Charging time is time to fully charge the charging box is 3 hours. 3 hours. Time for the charging box to fully charge the transmitter is 3 hours. So and the number of times the charging compartment has fully charged the transmitter. Four. I don't understand that statement, but who cares? I decided to go outside of my room and then test the microphone to see how good the quality is going to be. I don't know how many feet the distance will be, but I'm climbing, no, I'm descending down of my apartment onto the street to test the audio. Outside of my building. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but you'll see me pretty soon. You can see me walking to this side, and my phone is on that side. So, if you can hear me, then I think it's pretty cool. The audio is good. I don't know what to do. This is weird. I'm just standing outside and people are looking at me. Okay. So, I don't know the feet in the audio, the distance to which the audio still works. I have to check that and put that in the video. But I mean, if it's working from where my phone is to where I am, because I live on the second floor and I'm outside here, as you can see, if it works to this distance, it's a good deal. I'm good with that. So, okay, I'm climbing back up to the room. I'm still looking for the distance. Okay, I think I have the distance here, specification. Okay, 10 to 20 meters. They've written here, 10 to 20 meters. So I don't know how many meters I was from here until down there, but I think it should be more than 20 meters. But it's good for me. It's good because I'm not going to be in the market and then my phone is in my bedroom and filming. It's just probably in the room or when I'm outside vlogging. Yeah, maybe you'd want to keep a little distance. Yeah, battery life 6 hours. Battery life is 6 hours, and then one with two. Okay, one receiver with two microphones. noise reduction, support 3 level noise reduction. I don't know how I'm going to figure that out, but I'll do that after. And then sound delay 25 milliseconds. Okay, I don't know what that means, but who cares? So the bottom line is I wanted a microphone that can give me quality audio, and this one seems to work best, and it's cheaper and it's quality also. It's not like cheap where you don't get value for your money. You still get value for your money. So I think it's a good deal. If you're interested, I'll put the link in the description. Please click on it, purchase with my link so that I can get just a little bit of commission with no extra cost to you, of course. You get to pay the exact amount you're paying, but I just get a little commission from that. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'm excited to bring you more videos with quality audio. And then now I actually have the liberty of moving around if I want to do such videos. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next video, take care and remember life is short. You have to live your truth. Bye.